Hello guys, welcome to Raw Dance. Today we're gonna learn the new trending song, Not My Problem. It's super easy, let's go for it.
So let's start this routine by learning the basic footstep. It goes like 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a 4 count, it's repeating through the song and it's super easy. You can learn this. Let's do it together again. It goes your right leg open and bounce. Center, bounce. Left open, bounce, center, bounce. That's it. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add hands to the movement. Your right hand will be like this, and your left hand goes on it, and you just press it down just like this. Let's add them together. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's do it a little bit faster. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to the second movement. Your footstep is the same, but your hands would look like something like this. I guess it's called a chicken hand. I'm not sure, but your hands would go on your hips and you're just gonna do this movement. That's it. Let's add it to your footstep. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's speed it up a little bit. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very well, let's go to the next step. Your footstep is the same, but your hands will just show gun posture, and your right goes first, and then your left just cross it. So it would be like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's learn the last move. First, the foot are going 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first, right, left, right, left. Now let's add a little jump to this step. It goes like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's add hands to this. Your hands would just cross each other, and you would just shake your shoulders like that, lean to the front a little bit. And let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Now let's speed it up a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Such a good job. That was the whole routine. It's super easy. Now let's go from the beginning. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done, guys. Now let's speed it up a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there are any suggestion or any dance trend that you want to learn, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.